Hello and welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Laura and today I am taking you around DC for some of their holiday events. I'm actually staying like north of the district in Bethesda, Maryland for a work conference, and now that the conference is over for the day, we are going to head out for some fun in the evening. We are going to the downtown DC holiday market. It's right outside the National Portrait Gallery. It's advertised as having like 70 plus vendors. There's some food and drink vendors there as well. So we might grab dinner there, or there's lots of local restaurants in the area too. Another stop that we want to make tonight is to see the National Christmas tree when it's all lit up for the Christmas season. And then stay tuned after all of that because tomorrow night we're going to the Georgetown Glow. Should be a good time. Let's go. Holiday market was really cute. They had so many unique like gift ideas there, a lot of really talented artistry. They had some food vendors, but the lines were super long, and honestly we just want like a proper meal, so we're going to Proper 21. Got back to the hotel. It's a lot later than I thought we would get back. It's 10:30, which is not super late, but it's not super earlier when you have work the next morning either. But just to recap from the night, because I know I haven't been able to vlog a whole lot, the holiday market was really cute. I loved all the lights. They had live entertainment going on the stage. We got a group photo like under the big star, which was really cute. I only bought one thing from all the different vendors that they had because I only have so much space in my luggage to be able to take back home with me. And that was this little graphic design of Missouri. I loved all the little designs on here, like all the little details of several places and some of the landmarks and just all the things that make Missouri special. And then our dinner at Proper 21 was decent. Like, it wasn't bad. It was just they were very, very busy, so the service was a little bit slow. I got the smash burger, which had a little bit of a spicy kick to it that I wasn't expecting, but I didn't think it was bad by any means. The sweet potato fries were really good and the drinks were very strong, so you can't really complain about that. And then the plan was to go visit the National Christmas tree like I told you, but when we got there it was all like sectioned off. I think there was some sort of event, and so there were people parking like in President's Park, and the helicopter actually flew by and landed at the White House. So I think Joe was either like landing or taking off when we were there, which was kind of cool to see, although it was dark, like we couldn't see the president or if that was even him. But that's just kind of who we all assumed it to be. It was a bummer though because we couldn't get up anywhere like close to the Christmas tree. The best we could do is just take some photos and videos kind of from afar, but it was cool to see the helicopter landing and taking off there. I'm gonna get ready to go to bed, and we have a full day at the conference tomorrow, but afterwards we're gonna go to the Georgetown Glow. I'm excited to see how that goes tomorrow, so we'll bring you along with us. And I think my Missouri people are worn out because they all just decided that they were really tired and just wanted like a relaxing night in the hotel room, which is totally understandable. I'm feeling a little tired and just like a little like mentally drained from just all of the information, you know, that kind of gets poured at you when you're at a conference like this. So what I did was I just grabbed a quick bite to eat and a glass of wine with my Missouri friends for like happy hour. Made a new friend from the state of Hawaii, and she was also wanting to go to the Georgetown Glow tonight, so we just shared a ride and went down to explore together. So here's some of the footage from that. Georgetown Glow is actually my favorite. It was very different, not exactly what I was entirely expecting. I was thinking the art installations would be all in one like area, just like maybe one straight street where all the installations would be kind of in a row, but it was more like a scavenger hunt that kind of took you around Georgetown. But I actually liked that. I thought it was like really fun and adventurous. The person that I went with is very much like me in that she really likes to get out there and do and see as many things as she can when she's in a new place, or even if it's a place that she's been to before, she'll try to find and like see new things that she's never seen before. And neither one of us had ever been to Georgetown, so it was cool to see like the canal. And we ended the night with a little sweet treat from Georgetown cupcake. They had so many different flavors there, and I went with the gingerbread with the cute little gingerbread like decoration on top. One of the funniest things that also happened tonight that I have to share with you is that we were walking by, it was right when we got to the fifth and final art installation piece, the one with the clotheslines like hanging up in the alleyway, and a rat just ran right and crossed the street in front of us, carrying like some sort of piece of like food in its mouth. We saw like a couple different rat traps like nearby, so clearly there's a problem in that area. It ran by and I almost thought it was a squirrel at first until I realized that it was actually a rat. Other than that, it's been a great trip. I would recommend all of the holiday things that we did. I think they were all very unique things to do. The only regret that I have is that we just couldn't get close to the national Christmas tree, like close enough to see Missouri's state tree, because each of the states and even the territories, like there's somebody here for our conference from Puerto Rico, and they found a tree for Puerto Rico, so that would have been cool to see up a little bit closer. Other than that, it's been a great trip. I'm exhausted, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you as always for coming along with me. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more adventures from us. Give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.